Okay, let's do a picado, a really easy picado. It's going to be like the E flamenco scale, like the A minor, C major scale, okay? It's going to be 3, 1, 0, 3, 1, 0, second string, 2, 0 on the third one, 3, 2, 0 on the fourth, 3, 2, 0 on the fifth, and 3, 1, 0 on the sixth. Okay, so we will be doing picado, middle index, middle index. You see, I never repeat. And now we go down. 1, 3, 0, 1, sorry, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 0, 1, 3, 0, 1, 3. Okay? We're going to do the same scale always, again on the same way, with the metronome increasing up the speed. Okay? See you on the next video. Bye-bye.